Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a hosting or domain to Google Workspace in 2024. So to connect your hosting or domain to Google Workspace, you need to update your domain's DNS settings to verify ownership and configure email routing to Google's mail services. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to this URL section and make sure to go in both a Hostinger and like Google Workspace. So just go here and type hostinger.com and hit the enter button. Open new tab and go to Google like Workspace. Hit the enter button, go to the first link, and yeah. So if you have a language problem, you can simply scroll down to the bottom. Here, French, just choose English. Yeah. So make sure to connect to your admin console. And here on Google Workspace, click on your account. I don't know why it's not loading. It's anyway, just go to Hostinger, click on login to log in into your account. And here is an example. All you need to do is just go to domains first of all to check if you have the domain yet or not. So once you go here as an example, all you need to do, of course, is check if you have a domain. If you don't, you'll need to get one. So if you still didn't get it yet, it's better if you try to get it from uh, Google domains, which I guess will be better if you want to connect it to Google Workspace, because it will not ask you for any payments or something like that. But just, of course, you can check like the prices and see whatever suits you. So, an example here, just enter the desired domain name that you want to get. Maybe as an example, I don't know, just want to get like omixtester.com or something like that. So hit the enter button. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll find the price in here. So just go and click on buy now. You can see like $5 if you want to get it for 2 years, $5 if for the first year, of course. If you want to get it for like 3 years, but it's $8 if you want to get it for just 1 year. So you can click on choose payments options. So they have a lot of payment like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, Google Pay, and even PayPal. Otherwise, basically cryptocurrency in Alipay. As you can see, what's cryptocurrency? There is a lot of options like Bitcoin, Litecoin as an example, Ethereum as an example. So Binance Pay, BNB, Dogecoin, DAI, USDT, Polygon, whatever you want. Shiba, as you can see, whatever you want to pay with. So yeah, basically, I'll just go back. Once you pay it, you will have it here. Of course, you can transfer it now to your workspace. If you go here and click on transfer as an example, click on transfer domain, enter domain that you want to transfer as an example, and click on transfer in here. They'll show you if the requirement is met or not. As you can see, if it's logged, you'll not be able to transfer it. And if it did not pass 60 days since registration or transfer, you'll not be able to transfer it. So if you just get it, you'll not be able to transfer it until 2 months pass. As you can see, if it's locked, how to unlock it, just simply click on this option. They'll show you how to unlock it in Hostinger, especially as you can see here, just click on it, click on manage, you'll be able to transfer a lock. You can unlock it or remove the lock, whatever you want. Other than that, if you don't have it on Hostinger, you can see here how to the same instructions on how to unlock it on other options like Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator, Namecheap as an example, WordPress, a lot of options. So as you can see here, they show you Bluehost, like GoDaddy, how to do it. So instructions on everywhere. So once you do so, just click on check again to refresh. Once you unlock it, of course, and you'll be able to transfer it. You'll find the transfer option here. Once you transfer it, of course, they'll show you again the instructions. Just follow it to transfer it wherever you want. But as we said, we didn't like to transfer. We want to connect it to. We want to connect like Google Workspace to Hostinger. So basically, to do so, we'll be able to go back to domains, and we'll need to access the like domain DNS settings. So just go to domain as example, access its settings and specifically DNS settings. So we can go now to Workspace. As I said, just go to Admin Console. Let me just see if I can connect again. Okay, still cannot connect for some reason. But anyway, once you have access to your Admin Console, of course, all you need to do once you're logged in, you will have to navigate into domain section. Click on add domain and enter your hosting your domain name that you just get. From there, you'll be able to follow the prompts until you reach the verify your domain step. Google, of course, will provide you with some TXT record to add to your domain DNS settings. You can copy those TXT record as you will need it to paste it, of course, on the DNS records on Hostinger. So you can go back to your Hostinger on DNS settings that you opened. Simply in DNS record zone editor, add a TXT record, paste the TXT value you copied from Google Workspace into the value field, leave the host field empty or enter ads, set the TLL to default or 1 hour. If it's with hours, if it's with seconds, it's going to be, I guess, like 14,400. Let me just go and check real quick. So, as an example, 1 hour has 60 minutes. 60 minutes has like 60 seconds. I'm not very sure, but it should be like 14,400 or something like that. If it's not 1 hour, if there's 1 hour, that will be good. So once you do so, save the changes. It makes it take some time to propagate with the changes. So you'll have to wait a bit. Then on Workspace, on Google Workspace, you can go back and you'll find the verify button. Click on it. It may take some few minutes, as example, for Google to verify the changes. So you'll have to wait. And yeah, it will tell you that everything is working. After verification, you need to set up some MX records directly to your email Google servers. On Hostinger, DNS settings again, just go back in there. Add the following MX records provider, which is a priority one value, some values that they will give you from Workspace, and you should be good to go. You can finalize the setup in Google Workspace. And yeah, Google may need some time to propagate these changes and should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.